The West African accent is a powerful one. And although there are many regions, the Saharan region, the Sudanian region, the Guinean region, I'm going to give you a general, broad overview. Then you could further your research and take it to where you want to go with it. The resonance is different from the standard American accent, which is in the middle, right here. For the West African accent, it's forward, like the British accent, but there's some differences. Here they are. Do not forget to open your mouth wide for each word surrounding the sound. Open your nostrils, and then when you are finished with each sound, pull the lips back. Get that distinct sound for every syllable. Seeing that it's a strong accent, you're going to want to stress every syllable. In standard American English, I might say, yeah, basically, but in the West African accent, you're going to say, basically. The E sound gets changed to the E sound. For instance, if I say, I need to feed Mr. Deed. I need to feed Mr. Deed. And wouldn't you know it, the short I sound also gets that A sound. For instance, Dick is into physical fitness. Dick is into physical fitness. And the oo sound gets the sound. The gloomy June moon becomes the gloomy June moon. And the A sound gets the sound. The brat sat on the yoga mat in France. The brat sat on the yoga mat in France. All the general rules so far can be applied to almost anywhere in West Africa, but the next few are specific to the West Indies. For instance, an aw sound gets the sound. The awful sauce made Paul pause. The awful sauce made Paul pause. I like this next one. The sound gets the oo sound. For instance, my mother always said, if it looks like a duck and sounds like a duck, it's probably a duck. My mother always said, if it looks like a duck and sounds like a duck, it must be a duck. Let's talk pitch changes. The following sounds get an upward pitch. Ah, o, ow, and oi. So in this case, Maria, yellow, meow, and boy go to Maria, yellow, meow, boy. The A sound, as in make, grate, shake, also gets the upward inflection. And every so often, a Y sneaks in before this sound. Not always, but sometimes. I make great shakes for you. The ow sound, which turns into the O sound, also gets the upward inflection. The brown clown frowns in the town. The brown clown frowns in the town. The long I stays the same, but gets an upward inflection. I spy on Nikolai. It is I who spies on Nikolai. The oi sound gets the I sound with an upward inflection. Choice, royalty. It is my choice whether or not I want to become royalty. With words ending in ER, drop the ER. The duck is a runner. The duck is a runner. The sound at the beginning or the middle of a word gets the sound. The early bird gets the worm. The early bird gets the worm. The ear sound gets the sound. I'm sincere about wanting the deer to appear. I am sincere about wanting the deer to appear this year. And the air sound gets the sound. Where is the fair?
Where is the fair?
The ooer sound, as in cure, ensure, get the ua sound. For instance,
I am sure I have the cure for this disease.
the AR sound gets changed to the sound. You are charming.
You are charming.
So does the OR sound. Before you get my support.
Before you get my support, you must prove you are worthy.
For words ending in ing, lose the G. For instance, stop playing while I'm making music. And remember, when you're saying a sentence like this, don't forget to stress every syllable. It gets your point across definitively.
Stop playing while I am making music.
Here's a couple of my favorites. First, the voiced TH. It gets changed to the D sound. This, that, and the other thing.
This, that, and the other thing.
The voiceless TH gets the T sound. The thistle stuck in Thornton's thumb.
The thistle stuck in Thornton's thumb.
Listen to that. Even though he's breaking the rules of standard American English with these sounds, it still sounds powerful. And he's saying it with authority. You can too. Go out there and practice. Don't seek perfection, and don't be worried about being judged. Go all the way, commit to it, and then hone it as you move forward. And then you can use it in whatever context serves you and your audience.
Whatever you do, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Make a comment and like this video.
I love you.
And I love you too.